In this video, I'll quickly show you how to reset and restore your HP Envy printer to fix Wi-Fi, connection, or general issues. Important steps. 1. Open the HP Smart app on your phone or computer. 2. Tap your HP Envy printer at the top of the app. 3. Scroll down and select Advanced Settings. 4. When the browser opens, tap Advanced, then proceed to continue. 5. Go to Settings, then select Restore Defaults. 6. Choose one option. 7. Restore Factory Defaults, Full Reset. Or 8. Restore Network Settings, Wi-Fi Reset Only. 9. When asked for the PIN, open the printer lid and find the PIN label inside. 10. Enter the PIN and confirm the reset. 11. Wait a few minutes until the process finishes and you're signed out.